Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an online store using WordPress with the WooCommerce plugin. So the WooCommerce plugin makes it very easy to create online stores using WordPress. You just have to install the plugin and use it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to see in this video. If you want to follow with me as I go with the tutorial, there's a link in the description where you can click and follow with me as I go. Now, after you have created your WordPress account using your hosting service, this is the dashboard that you land on once you first create your WordPress account. So I've called this website Me Smartphone. So let's visit the site. Okay, open a new tab, and this is what I first get when I first install my WordPress account. As you can see, it's just a basic theme that we're going to have to replace, and a basic note here, a basic post actually, that we're going to have to replace as well. So WordPress by default comes up as a simple blog. Of course, you can do whatever you want on it, but by default, this is what you have. This is a simple blog that you can customize and you can add in more content to it. Of course, we're not going to do that in this case. We're going to use an online store instead, and this is what I'm going to do. So first things first, we're going to have to install a theme that's going to host our online store. So let's go to Appearance, Themes, and here you can choose the theme you want to go with. So basically you need to choose a theme that's going to go great with an online store, with the idea of having an online store set up, not just a WordPress blog or something like that. So 2020 here is designed mostly for blogs, as you can see here with the rest. So 2016, these are the default WordPress themes. So every year, as you can see here, they release a theme, an official theme that's installed by default when you first install WordPress account. So 2016 was installed by default, and users who had created their accounts in 2016, etc. Of course, we're not going to use any of these. We're going to have to create our new theme. Simply just install it. Okay, so it's already created. People have already created for us, which is great. So what we're going to do is simply install it. So here you can choose a theme that's going to go great with an online store. These are the featured themes. You don't have to stick with these. You can click on popular here to go with a lot more options to go with. So here, as you can see, it's 4,000 to choose from. And if you click latest, you will get even more. As you can see, 7,000 themes to choose from. It's a lot of themes, of course. So choose the one you like most and simply click on install. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with one called Shop Aisle. Okay, I'm going to go with this one and I'm going to install it. So this is what you do with all other themes. Just select the theme and click install. You can change the theme whenever you want. You don't have to stick with one theme. You can change it after you have set up your online store. It's not a problem. So click on activate here to activate this theme. So it says here Shopify is now installed and ready to use. There are some links to get you started. Click on the theme settings if you want to check out the theme settings. Okay, so these are the options for this theme. So some themes come with further setups, some themes don't, so it's a good thing to check which themes have their own setup pages and their own options, which are more professional and easier to work with. So this one, if you installed, comes with its own setup page, which is great. So I'm going to click on useful plugins here. You can go to customizer to customize the theme. We're going to do that later, but for now we're going to click on useful plugins to install our WooCommerce plugin. So it recommends other plugins. We're not going to go with these. As you can see here, Elementor, we've already seen Elementor in the previous tutorial, but for this tutorial, we're going to stick with WooCommerce. So remember, this is how our website looks now. As you can see, so the theme is installed, but it's still a blog. It's still a blog. As you see here, it says blog, and these are the blogs. Of course, we don't want blogs, we want products to show on our pages. So the reason being here is that our website is not set up as an online store yet. So this is what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to change the platform. We're going to have to change the whole idea behind WordPress. So it's not a blog anymore, it's an online store. So click on install and activate. You can click on here. If the theme doesn't have this setup page or it's not recommended in WooCommerce, no problem, just go to plugins and click on add new here, add new. In here you can check and search for WooCommerce. And this is the theme. As you can see, it's installed more than 5 million times. It's a very well-known, very popular plugin. So click on install here. Okay, so this is another option. Okay, we're gonna click on install and activate here. Perfect. Now our WooCommerce plugin has been installed. You can check your site. As you can see here, now you have a visit site and you have a visit store, but still now they are the same. Why? Because we still haven't configured WooCommerce. You can click either of those and you will be redirected to the homepage. As you can see, it's still a blog. And that's because we haven't yet configured WooCommerce. So we have to activate it by fully configuring it. So as you can see, it has added two options here, WooCommerce and products. We're going to go with those later, but for now we're going to activate and configure WooCommerce. And to do that, as you can see, if you go to the dashboard, you will see an option here. It says run the setup wizard, and this shows up because you still haven't configured your WordPress, your WooCommerce plugin. So click on here to configure it and set up the basic information. Okay, so where is your store based? Okay, I'm gonna say United States, address, no problem. For example, my website is a virtual store. It doesn't have a physical location, so I'm gonna type here worldwide. Okay, city, maybe you can type in your city, of course. For example, Denver, Colorado. Okay, postal code, whatever, just type whatever. Okay, so what currency do you accept your payments? So use dollars, of course. I plan to sell both digital products, so you can set up for both. I'm going to select the first option, both physical and digital. Maybe I'm going to sell phones, and also going to sell configurations and stuff like that are not physical products. Okay, you can change that later if you want to. So I will also be selling products or services in person. No, I'm going to sell only from my online store. So click on let's go. Okay, this is no problem. You can just check this if you want to help them. WooCommerce is free, which is great. So let's help them make it even better. And these are the payment options. So here you have two options, Stripe and PayPal. Also, you can set up an offline payment options, maybe check payments and bank transfers and cash on delivery if you want to. So Stripe is good. So you can set up Stripe and you can set up PayPal, both accounts, no problem. So simply click on here and set up your payment accounts and click on continue. Of course, don't forget to put in your email addresses and click on continue. Okay, so here you can select the shipping options. You can go with free shipping and include the price in your products, or you can select a cost for the United States, for example. So I'm going to select free shipping here and free shipping here and click on continue. We'll use ounces for product weight and inches for product dimensions. So if you're only based in the United States, if you're mainly based in the United States, you can go with these, or you can go change that to pounds maybe and kilograms. If you're based in Europe, maybe using the metric system. So click on continue. I'm going to select pounds and inches here and click on continue. And these are simply some added plugins that WooCommerce recommends. You don't have to do them. So I'm going to uncheck these. In Facebook, I'm going to leave WooCommerce admin dashboard and automated taxes. You can leave that as well. I'm going to uncheck it and leave just WooCommerce admin. And finally, activate it. So this is another product that WooCommerce recommends. You don't have to do it. You don't have to install it. So click on skip this step. And finally, your online store is ready. So click on visit dashboard here, and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Just a quick reminder, there's a link in the description. If you want to follow with me with the rest of the tutorial, just click on that link and get started. So let's check our website now. Let's close these. These are just some simple warnings. Okay, let's check our dashboard. Our online store, as you can see now, this redirects to the dashboard and this redirects to the shop page. So let's check them both. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is the home page. Okay, so you can see it still shows blog here and shows shop here. So this is the blog. We don't want that. We want to select here the home page. And to do that, we have to customize the theme. Okay, and this is a shop page. This is a normal shop page. No problem with this. But this should redirect to the home page of the website, not a page, not a blog page. So to do this, just go to settings and reading here. And here you will have to change the setting for the home page, what's going to be shown on the home page and what's going to be shown on the shop page. So instead of your latest post, click on a static page here, and on the home page I'm going to show a sample page for the dashboard for the home page, and in the post page are going to be the shop page. So this is the shop page. It's going to show all the products. So click on save changes. Of course, the pages are going to differ in terms of what theme you're using, but the same ID applies. So click on here, visit site, and as you can see, the homepage is going to change. So it doesn't show the blog page, it shows a homepage with the latest products, etc. So once we add in products, they're going to be shown here. Great. If you want to edit this page, all you have to do is click on edit page here, and then you will be redirected to the customizer where you will be able to change that. And again, so click on appearance here and click on customize. Okay, there are always different ways to do this. This is the sample page. Okay, we're not going to do it this way. We're going to go to the customizer, and here I'm going to change the homepage. So to change this image based on this specific theme, go to front page section. Other themes might label these differently, so click on big title section here, and this is the image that's shown by default here. You can change that here. So instead of shop, I'm going to type me smartphones, and the subtitle is best smartphones in one. Okay, so button label, read more, check products or check smartphones, and simply in the change image, simply click change image here, and here you're going to have to select an image. So if you've already uploaded an image, you can simply select it here. If not, you can click on upload files and simply drag and drop the image here. So I've already uploaded an image before, so I'm going to click on media library and simply choose this image. Great. Now, as you can see, the image we've chosen has been set up correctly, and it shows up in the big title section and as the header image. So all that's left to do is simply publish the changes. Don't forget to publish the changes. Every time you make any change in the customization options, you have to publish the changes to make them live, basically. So close this to go back to your dashboard, and then we're going to select to view our homepage. Simply click on visit site here, and this is the home page. As you can see, this is the image we've chosen, the title we've chosen, and then the tagline, and then the button, of course. So check products, and here are going to be shown the products are going to be shown. Okay, so this is what we're going to do left. So all we have to do left is to add in the products themselves. So close this, and to add in products, all you have to do is go to products. This is the product section where we're going to manage all your products. So click on all products. It's going to show up all the products that you've already set up. Since we don't have product already set up, what we're going to do now is click on add new here. So adding new product is very easy. All you have to do is set up the title, the description, and then the product option, mainly shipping, price, etc., and the product images, etc. It's very easy to do. So first thing we're going to start with is the product. So first product we're going to set up maybe is not to make ads for brands, etc. So I'm going to select maybe Nokia 3310, and this is the product section. This is the product description actually. So just type in something in the product description, and these are the product options. So first you have to choose whether your product is virtual and whether it's downloadable. So virtual products are things that are not shipped, maybe books, etc., and whether it's downloadable. So virtual, it can be virtual and not downloadable. It can also be virtual and downloadable, maybe books, for example. So once the user have made his has placed his order, so he can download the file. So selecting one of these or both of these will change the settings that you can set. So in this case, this is not a virtual and this is not a downloadable, this is physical products. So here you can type in the regular price, maybe $80. Okay, the sale price. If you're having sales, you can set up the sale price here. You can also schedule sales if you want to. It's very easy to do. And then you select the inventory, how much you have in your inventory. As you can see, the stock keeping unit. Okay, so it is in stock. You can type in here if you have a set number, you can type it in here, and then the shipping options, the dimensions, etc. All you have to do is simply just go over these and basically set up all the details on your product. And this is the short description. So this is the big description that's going to be shown below the product. It gives a lot more details about the product, and this is the short description that's going to be shown right next to the product, just above the add cart button. So I'm just gonna paste both here at the same time, so not to waste time writing descriptions. And also don't forget to set the product image. This is very important. Without a product image, you can't basically convey the what the product is about. So I'm going to upload here a simple image about this Nokia phone. So once the image has been uploaded, simply click on set product image, and this is the product image. And finally, the product categories. It's very good to categorize between your products, only to organize yourself, etc. You can also, in sections of your page, you can set this section to show these type of products and this section to show another type of product, etc. So it's good here to add in categories. So here I'm going to type in maybe Nokia phones in parent categories. No, I'm going to select a new category, Nokia. You can add in other categories, maybe subcategories like Nokia smartphones and Nokia maybe old phones, etc. So you can do that later, and simply you can preview this product before you publish it. You can preview to see how it shows up. Okay, so this is our product, and this is the description, this is the long description, and this is the short description. So close this. If you're not sure, if you're just drafting, you can select save drafts. And if your product is ready to go live, simply click on publish here. And that's it. So it says here product published, view product. This is what you're going to do. Simply go to visit store or visit site. Same thing. So visit site and visit store. You can check both. So this is the store, this is the shop page, and this is the home page. So this is the home page. As you can see, the product is automatically added. You can add in as many products as you want. And this is the shop page, which shows all the products, wherein the user can have added sorting options to select the options that he wants. So you can edit this page simply by clicking on customize. You can edit this page also by clicking on customize and selecting the different settings that you want. Maybe you want to change the title, who knows? Okay, so this is how you create your online store. Now all you have to do is simply click add all products to manage your products and add in new products maybe, and basically all products that you add are set up live, so you don't there are no added configurations that you have to do. So all your work is going to be done mainly on these dashboard, mainly the products dashboard and the WooCommerce. If you want to see orders, if you want to set up coupons, if you want to see sales prices, how online store is doing, all you have to do is simply click on dashboard here. So this is the plugin that does all the magic. It's called WooCommerce, and these are the settings here. You get all the stats that you want to get in an online store. So you get all the graphs, all the statistics, etc. So this is how you set up your online store. If you've missed a step in this tutorial, or if you didn't understand something, you can always click on the link in the description and go over again step by step and go slowly. And if you always have any questions, you have me and the support team at your disposal. I hope this has been informative for you, and I thank you so much for viewing.